Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 8th, 2024, and we're diving into Pinterest's recently released third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Pinterest's performance, especially given the impressive growth they've reported this quarter.
Revenue and user growth. Let's start with the top line. Pinterest reported a Q3 revenue of $898 million, marking an 18% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely, the revenue growth is quite significant. This increase is largely driven by Pinterest's strategic investments in AI, which have enhanced personalized user experiences and improved ad performance. Their lower funnel ad tools are particularly noteworthy as they are the fastest growing segment, attracting more advertisers to the platform.
And what about user growth? They reported a record 537 million global monthly active users, up 11% from last year.
Yes, that's correct. The growth in monthly active users is a testament to Pinterest's ability to engage and retain its audience. The platform's unique value proposition as a source of inspiration and shopping has resonated well with users globally, contributing to this impressive growth.
Profitability and expenses. Despite the revenue growth, Pinterest's total costs and expenses were $904 million. How did this impact their profitability, John?
Interestingly, even with high expenses, Pinterest managed to achieve a GAAP net income of $31 million, a significant improvement from last year. Their adjusted EBITDA also rose to $242 million, reflecting a 31% increase. This indicates that Pinterest is effectively managing its costs while scaling its operations.
What can you tell us about their cost structure?
The increase in costs is primarily due to higher investments in research and development, as well as sales and marketing. These are crucial for sustaining growth and enhancing the platform's capabilities, especially in AI and ad tools.
Geographic performance and RPU. Let's delve into the geographic performance. How did Pinterest fare across different regions?
In the US and Canada, Pinterest generated $719 million, a 16% increase. Europe saw a 20% rise to $137 million, and the rest of the world experienced a 38% surge. This broad-based growth highlights Pinterest's successful international expansion and monetization efforts.
And what about the average revenue per user, or RPU?
The global RPU increased by 5% to $1.70. This growth is driven by higher engagement and improved ad targeting, which have enhanced the platform's monetization capabilities.
Future outlook and strategic initiatives. Looking ahead, Pinterest has provided guidance for Q4. What are the key highlights?
Pinterest expects Q4 revenue to be between $125 million and $145 million, representing a 15 to 17% year-over-year growth. They also anticipate non-GAAP operating expenses to grow by 11 to 14%, which suggests continued investment in growth initiatives.
What strategic initiatives should investors keep an eye on?
Investors should watch Pinterest's AI advancements and ad tool enhancements, as these are critical for driving user engagement and advertiser interest. Additionally, their international expansion efforts will be pivotal in sustaining growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Pinterest has delivered a strong quarter with significant revenue and user growth. Their strategic investments in AI and ad tools are paying off, and the future outlook remains positive. John, any final thoughts on Pinterest's investment prospects?
Pinterest is well-positioned for continued growth thanks to its robust user base and innovative ad solutions. However, investors should remain mindful of the competitive landscape and potential economic headwinds.
And thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Pinterest performance in the comments below.